Hey guys, Michael from Elite Traders University here. Hey, we did it 10 trades to 1,000 pips. Let's go and check out our trades and let's look at our trading history.
Okay guys, we did it. So in 2 more trades, our last 2 trades, trades 9 and 10, we cracked 1,000 pips. So we actually took it short down here for a whole number of positions, and we didn't get the reversal. There was some news here, so I just showed a bit of caution there. And then I actually went long up in here with the continuation for a whole bunch of 15, 18 and 19 pips. Now I actually could have held that a lot longer, but I wanted just to get in and out of the market. I actually planned to hold one of those longer, and we could have made a lot more, but the plan was to get to 1,000 pips as quickly as possible in 10 trades. So let's just go back and look at our trading history. So we started on the 27th of October. As you can see, green week, 100%. Great trade up in there, another trade up here. So this trade in here was our biggest loss, and we had a tiny loss here. This was our biggest loss. It's not a lot, but opened up a few more positions than I should have, and so it could have been a lot better. Again, this has been very, very conservative, guys. I didn't trade a lot. As you can see, I basically did 1 trade a day. Again, I could have held this position for a lot longer up here, but I just wanted to get in and out of the market as quickly as possible. And what I've discovered is that the longer you spend in the market, the more risk you make yourself available to. And I just wanted to be in and out within an hour or 2 hours of my trade, walk away and enjoy the rest of my day. That's how I choose to trade. I don't want to sit at the computer all day. And then, so last night, our last 2 trades, trades 9 and 10, were down here and up here. So let's have a look at our trading history. So here we go, coming in from the 27th. Okay, this is last week, so this is our 100% week. No losses in that week, as you can see. No losses, no losses, no losses, no losses, no losses. Then we have a small loss here, and then this was our biggest loss. Now, again, I actually opened up more than I had to. Actually scaled up my position, but because of some local risk, maybe I was a little bit too aggressive there. But that's okay. I understand my ability to trade, and so sure enough, we got it back. And it's only 2 losses, and these were the last trades. And so last night, as you can see in here, on the 5th of November, these are the final trades. So these last 3 were my number 10 trades. These ones up here were number 9 trades. So a total for all of those pips was 1,006 pips. 1,006 pips. So awesome result, and I'm glad you guys can join me in this journey. And if you're interested in learning how to do this, as you can see, it's not difficult. We only had a couple of small losses. Again, this loss could have been halved, and again, small loss here for 4 or 5 pips, and a couple of small losses there. When you compare that with all of these gains, there's no comparison really. So amazing results, guys. If you want to learn how to do this, click the link below, like my channel, subscribe to the channel, get in touch with our Facebook group online. If you want to reach and chat out to me, contact me directly. Love to talk with you and share with you what we offer in our university and how you can learn to trade the market effectively. And also look out for my new video series coming out. It'll be $100 to $1,000. So I'm going to show you how we can 10x our account using this exact same technique. Okay, we went 10 trades from 0 to 1,000 pips. Once you know how to read the market, once you can understand market structure, it's not that difficult, guys. Okay, so have an amazing weekend, and I'll catch you all next week.